was your woman, the things I do to you. But I'm not, so I can't and I won't. But if I was your girl.
Hey, welcome to my channel. If you want to see how I went from 14 inches to 22 inches on this lock wig, just keep watching. Peace. Okay, so before this video begins, I am not going to be pinning the actual link to this wig. You know, there's a lot of things that transpired, you know, and I'm going to have a story time about this wig because it's very much crazy. But yeah, just keep watching just to see how I did this technique. Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Mioneka. So in today's video, I'm gonna be installing a wig that's already constructed into butterfly locks. So I was gonna do this video this morning, but I ran out of time and I was gonna do it before work. So I needed to plop this wig on. And this wig is actually their wig. I did work with them before, and yeah, I just love me a good short pixie cut. But it's so hard because I don't know how they got this wig in here. This is the brand We Queen, and I already opened the package because obviously I was going to do this video this morning, but I'm just going to do everything when I get off work. So I took the packaging off and everything because it did have packaging on the actual lace and all that good stuff. So I'm just going to take this little, what do you call this? Wig nets off. I'm just going to take that off. So, of course, they gave me a little wig cap. So, yeah. And I would say this is not transparent or HD lace. It's like a brown lace. So if you're brown, yeah, because you can see it from the light. And that's why I like recording in the morning, because the light just be shining on me. So I need all the sun. So yeah, that's why I'm doing my intro now. So yeah, you can see that brown lace. So if you're a lighter complexion, I think this is like my exact color, like for my skin. But just like if you're lighter than me, this wig is not for you. Yeah, so it is a 4x4. It's a full frontal, but it's 4x4. It's only in this area. So when I put it on last night, because I had to braid my hair down, I want to see what it looks like on me. It looked decent, but what I did start doing, I did like pull some pieces apart so it can get longer. So I am going to do this in the video when I do install it, because I mean, I like it short, but it's just like, it's like too much hair like in one area. Like I like different lengths so it can be like in a ponytail. So this is the inside. This is the 4x4 and it's the full frontal, and it's elastic band, adjustable, and it's also these little straps in the back just to like have it tight. But I'm just gonna have it on the first one because yeah, I don't like when it be pulling on the back of my neck like that, back in my kitchen. But yeah, and then it also has two combs right here. That's the wig. It's something new because I can't wait to see what it looks like on me. But it's something, very much something new. So I'm trying to show you the best way I can. Might just put it on my mannequin head, but I won't be having time to do that because that mannequin head is dirty. Anyway, it's dirty. This is the wig. This is the back. It's 14 inches, but I'm gonna make it into 16 or 20 inches because this is the one that I pulled, and yeah, it's very much longer. So that's what I'm gonna be doing in this video. Peace. Oh yeah, like, comment, subscribe. See your girl. So I'm back from work. Now I'm gonna just take this wig off and do the ball cap method and install it. Then I'm gonna show you the technique. So yeah. So it's cute. It's just they need to improve their lace because not everybody is dark skinned. Like, I'm sure people lighter color, even if you're a black woman, lighter color out there, I'm sure they want to try the wig. So I would just, this is a message to them. I would, you know, change the lace up a little bit, change the lace, or also just have like an option, because some people on their websites have like medium brown lace. It's already like they kind of asking you like what kind of lace do you want, or either you can be like transparent lace or HD lace on there, so that people can choose. But other than that, this is a cute wig. Like, I actually like how this looks, but I want it a little bit longer just so I can have different hairstyles with it. It's more flowy when it's like loosened up. And I actually did this on accident. I was like, oh boy, because last night I had, you know, took my hair loose and braided my hair back and, you know, put my cap on, but I just put that other wig on that you saw in the beginning of the video. So yeah, I was just like, I hope I didn't mess it up, but I actually like this. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. All I really did was just pull, I already did that one. All I did was just pull from the bottom and just do that. I'm gonna do this side of my head and then I'm gonna do this one. But I just wanna have like half and half, just showing what it looks like. I do like the bob, but I just feel like it's gonna be more, you know, flowy with the, you know, with it pulled. So I'm just gonna go ahead and turn my fan back on because it's hot. It's giving, it's very much giving, yeah. But it just looks better. Like, who don't like long hair, especially when you have braids or like this type of hairstyle, like butterfly locks? It's just giving. Like, I just feel like a goddess. Like, before I felt like, what's that lady name? What's that lady name off of Martin? What's that lady name? Bro, what's her name? Let me go ask my cousin. Hold up. I wasn't looking too good, but I look just like him with that freaking wig. But it's cute though. Like, I love the hair. Like, the hair is cute. Hold on, I need to fix that one. Yes.
Are you talking about this?
What's the name? Shanae?
I guess so.
Oh, Shanae. Thank you. So her name is Shanae. So yeah, bro, that's what I was looking like before. Anywho, this is the outcome. I hope you enjoy. If you don't follow my Instagram is so.cuddy. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace out. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Peace.
You're smooth and shining, so good, keep my